So today in this class we'll do the remaining question of your PT1 question paper. That is question number 16. In question number 16 it is given that equal roots. So if equal roots, then what is that? Question number 16. Question number 16. Since equal roots, therefore d equal to 0. D equal to 0 means what? D means discriminant. Yes or not? So, see here, minus 2 AC plus BD whole square minus 4 A square plus B square into C square plus D square equal to 0. Okay? Then what do you have to do? You have to expand it by the use of whole square formula. But before that, see what we will do. 4 AC plus BD whole square minus 4 A square plus B square C square plus D square equal to 0. Then take 4 common. If 4 common, then A square C square plus 2 ACBD plus B square D square minus A square C square minus A square D square minus B square C square minus B square D square bracket complete equal to 0. Then you see A square C square minus A square C square cancel. A square, then B square D square, B square D square cancel. Then what will happen? Minus sign will take common. Then you see what is that? A square D square minus twice A C B D plus B square D square equal to 0. Now, some of you may think, well, it's 4. Any 0 divided by any number is 0. So 4 is gone that side. Now, what is the formula of this one? Is it in the form A minus B whole square? Yes or not? See, A square minus twice AB plus B square. So ultimately, it is not D square, my dear. It is C square. So ultimately, A D minus B C whole square equal to 0. So what will happen? Implies AD minus BC equal to 0 implies AD equal to BC. So prove. So this is your answer. Okay? This is your answer, question number 16. Okay? So if equal roots, first of all you write, since equal roots, therefore D equal to 0, D stands for discriminant. Then remaining part you do the calculation, wherever identity formula, use identity formula, wherever you have to use the product formula, product that is binomial product. So and then you use once again the formula. Okay? So this is question number 16. Now let's see next question number 17. 17, draw the graph of the following equation. So I'll just convert the equation and then you plot the graph and then you have to find out the area of the triangle formed by the two lines and the axis. I'll show you. Okay. Just a minute. So what is that? First equation is 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. 4x, question number 17. 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. Ultimately, what is that? Y equal to 4x minus 8. So you take out the point x, y, x0 minus 8, x1 minus 4, x minus 1 minus 12. So you got the three set of values. So 0 comma minus 8, 1 comma minus 4, then minus 1 comma minus 12. This is the three set of values you got. Now next let's see, next equation is that twice x minus thrice y plus 6 equal to 0. Twice x minus thrice y plus 6 equal to 0 implies what is that? Twice x equal to thrice y minus 6, x equal to thrice y minus 6 by 2. So this one also you take out three set of values. So what it will be? X, y. So y0 minus 2, minus 3. Then 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 9 by 2. So your coordinate are minus 3 comma 0, minus 3 by 2 comma 1 and minus 9 by 2 comma minus 1. These are the, so all the three sets of values you got. Now next you see, also determine the vertices of the triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis. Also determine the vertices of the triangle. Vertices of the triangle and also area of the triangle. Okay. So now you use your graph paper, and then when you plot, see these all are in this quadrant, and these are, you see, last one is in the third quadrant, this one second quadrant, and this one also second quadrant. So ultimately how it will come? These all are, see, second, third. So it will come this way. Okay. Now another one will come this way, because this is also minus 1 minus 4. Sorry. So 1 is in the fourth quadrant. So ultimately it will come like this. Okay. So this is on y-axis. This is on y-axis. Yes or not? Negative. So negative. This is in the fourth quadrant, and this is in the third quadrant. So third quadrant, and that way triangle will form, and you find out remaining calculation. Okay. So this is the next one. Question number 70. Okay. Now let's see question number 18. 18 is not so tough. Okay. 18 is what? 5x squared minus 6x plus 8. So alpha plus beta equal to what? Sum of zeros, 6 by 5. And so this is 1, equation number 1. And alpha beta equal to how much? Equal to k by 5. This is equation number 2. Now what is given? Given is that alpha minus beta equal to 1 by 5. This is equation number 3. Okay? Then we have to find out the values of k. That means alpha beta you have to remove. So if you have to remove alpha beta, that means you have to simplify equation 1 and 3. So let's see, by using your linear equation in two variables. So by addition subtraction method or elimination method. So 1 plus 3. So what is that? Twice alpha equal to 6 by 5 plus 1 by 5 equal to 7 by 5 implies alpha equal to 7 by 10. The next 1 minus 3. Then what it will be? 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 C. Now alpha will eliminate. Now you can eliminate alpha. So twice beta equal to 6 by 5 minus 1 by 5. So ultimately twice beta equal to how much? 5 by 5 equal to 1. Ultimately beta equal to 1 by 2. Now from 2. So from 2 is what? See, 7 by 10 into 1 by 2 equal to k by 5. Then remaining calculation you do by yourself. You try to take out the values of k. You try to take out the values of k. Okay. Now next two questions are very, very important. Very, very important. Okay. For the perspective of your board exam, it is very, very important. A train covered a certain distance, moving with an uniform speed. If the train had been 6 km per hour faster, it would have taken 4 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train slowed down by 6 km per hour, it would have taken 6 hours more. The one thing you know, here are two things: speed and time. And what is the relation between speed and time? Speed and time gives you distance. Product of speed into time, or product of speed and time, will get the distance. So you have to consider here that speed of the train be x km per hour and time taken by the train be y hour. So let's see. So please start question number 19. So let speed of the train be x kilometer per hour and time taken be y hour. Therefore distance equal to x, y kilometer. So that means after getting the value of x and y, you have to find out the distance, and product of x and y will give the distance. Now according to question. What is that? See, now product xy. If speed is increased by 6, time will be reduced by 4. So x plus 6 increased, y minus 4. Y will increase or decrease? Y will decrease because 4 hours less they are asking. 4 hours less. So ultimately what is that? xy 6y minus 4x minus 24. So xy cancel. Now here 2 you take common, so it will be thrice y minus 2y x minus 12 equal to 0. Ultimately thrice y minus 2y x equal to 12. This is your equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Now next what is given? Next they are asking that if speed is decreased by 6 km, then time will be will be more. So xy equal to x minus 6 time will be more. See, speed increase plus, speed decrease minus, time reduce minus, time increase plus. So ultimately xy minus 6y plus 6x minus 36. So x are cancelled. So ultimately what it will be? It will be x minus y equal to 6. This is equation number 2. Now solve these two equations by elimination method, and then you will try to get the answer, and then you find out the distance x, y. Then last question. Last question is that some student planned a picnic. The budget for the food was 480. Now you know, in the picnic, the number of students will go will be, contribution will be also equal for each student. So if 500, that means total budget, and if number of students is 10, then each has to pay 50 rupees. That is 500 by 10. Now here you see, but 8 of them failed to go, and thus cost of food for each member increased by rupees 10. Now first of all, here remember whether it will be two variable question or a one variable question. Here one is related to a number. If you know the number, you can get that how much each one of them has contributed. So that's the reason that you have to consider only one variable, it will not be two variables. Okay, so let's see. So 20. Let number of students be x, and each contribute b rupees 480 by x. Okay, contribution is this much. Now what is that? Now you see, if 8 fail to go, then each has to pay 10 rupees more. Then according to question, 8 fail to go, x minus 8, each has to pay 10 rupees more. This is the each contribution plus 10 equal to 210. Because number of students multiplied by their contribution will give the 210 contribution. So number of students, contribution of each student, because that is not going to change. Okay, then you simplify. What is that? X minus 8, then 480 plus 10x divided by x equal to 480 implies 480x minus 8 into 480 plus 10 square 10x square minus 80x equal to 480x. This one cancel. So ultimately how much? See, 10 common. So x square minus 8x. So 0 gone. 4 is 30, 320, and 8 is 64, 8 is 64, so 384. So minus 384 equal to 0. Implies x square minus 8x minus 384 equal to 0. So this one now you simplify by yourself and then you try to get the answer. But only one thing is that here in this question they are asking actually how many students participate in the picnic. So your value, x value you get 24. So actual number of students participate in the picnic 24 minus 8 equal to 6. So with this I will wind up for today. Then hope to see you in the next video. So thank you. Bye bye.